It's just all with chocolate on it, and I really want to taste it. Where were you eating this from? Wait. I'm gonna make this into a cake. It's all broke because my cake is all broken because it was so delicate. And I was pretending to get. It was my cake that was pretend cake and it was black and it was very delicate. You can put it in there. My sibling wants you to do it. You can do it so good. It's good. Oh my, this one. Good. Put it in there. Am I done? No. Now water. Mike, can I try a little? No, just a little chocolate. Mike, it's okay done.
Okay.
I have what's on there. I'm gonna do that. Okay. We need to wait until the butter's gone. We need to wait. We need to wait until this is gone.
Okay.
I think that's enough. I got my hands over. Yeah. It's just all with chocolate on it, and I really want to taste it.
Nah.
Now let me cut it. And, no, you need to cut a piece.